where we have Flexstar cloning bars for lights, which each bar is 18 watts, and they'll be installing them onto a wire racking system. So I got the cloning rack completely cleared out. I had some tools on here while I was working in here installing all the benches and irrigation system, but this is a wire rack. It is 4 shelves, but we'll be using 3 of them with plants on it, and the one above it will be holding the lights. So currently we just have these no-name LED lights on here. They aren't very powerful. Even at this distance from the plants, only like an inch or 2 away from the plants, you're only getting 100 ppfd at the tops of the clone. So these aren't doing it, but we'll be using 3 of these bars per row, and they are much higher quality. And you can see the cover on here on the LEDs are clear, so we'll get better light dispersion to the plants. These are from Flexstar, so big shout out to them for providing these for this room. We have 5 boxes here, which is a total of 10 lights. Each of these are 18 watts. In one box, it does come with a power cord, and each of the lights has an input and an output. So this side would be output with a specific end on it, and then the other side is an input. So you can easily daisy chain all of these together. So for us, we'll be not daisy chaining each shelf to each other. Each one will have its own power cord, and then we have a power bar up here, which will be connected to our plug here with a timer. So these will be on 18 hours on and 6 hours off. So let me set you on the time lapse so we can install these 9 lights here. One thing I wanted to add in here is these brackets that each box comes with. These are specific lights where they clip into the right hand section, and then this top flat area clips perfectly into a wire mesh. So there you put one here and one down here, and then the light gets pushed up in here and pressure fitted, so it won't be moving anywhere. I'll give you a closer look once I have them all installed. Okay, so we finished getting the 3 bars per shelf installed, 18 watts each. You can see how they daisy chain like this. One is connected to the next, and then down there, this one's connected to that, and then it goes to here. We will be setting up a second shelf of this upstairs in the grow tent room, but this one will be utilized in here for early veg or seedling starts that will be featured in this room. Overall, a very clean setup. You can see that each shelf is very sturdy, and then I have each power cord going to a power bar up here. That way, if one of these shelves isn't being utilized, I can unplug this one plug, and it is connected to a timer set to 18 hours on and 6 hours off. So let's jump into installing the Flexstar 720 watt lights in here. There will be 6 of them above the tables. Okay, so we got these 6 Flexstar 720 watt Pro LED lights installed. They are each daisy chained to each other in this row. So this is one channel, and then that's the second channel. We will have the wires coming over to here where we'll be mounting the control box to control both the lights above and the under canopy lights down here. Both are from Flexstar, 2 per light, so 6 of them in each row to accommodate each light. So one light will get 2 under canopy lights. This is a great setup that I've run in a grow tent. So now we're gonna see it on a little bit higher of a scale in terms of size and the results we get from all of this. I think this room is perfectly sized with the walkways between the benches and on the walls, along with being able to move these benches to each side, so we have ample room to work on the plants anytime we need to get into a certain space. I don't have the lights on right now because I don't have the controller set up, and at 100% power with these both on is quite crazy in here, and I don't have my grow glasses to wear right now, so we're just gonna have to do the video